To give you an introduction, this is Matthew, the owner of the GR86, thank you. And this is my uncle's F8 Tributo. Oh my. Bro, look at this. What the hell? What?
Alright, don't touch that. That's the...
Oh, that's the door?
Yeah, that's the door.
Oh shit, my bad. Did I open it?
I don't think so.
Wait, this is the door?
Yeah, that's the door.
Oh, this is. Oh, these are the window switches?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. How many kilometers?
Right now it's at 2,600.
Bro, what? He barely drives it.
Yeah.
Wait, he's okay with creasing up the visors though?
I mean... Oh, he's not planning on selling it anyways.
Yeah, I mean. Oh, hello. Wow, these mirrors are freaking ass, bro. What the hell?
I don't even have a mirror. It's a Ferrari.
Bro, it's fucking. What's this?
It's...
In a Ferrari?
That's why it's a Ferrari. It's very finicky.
How? Oh.
You don't pay for the build quality.
You don't pay for the build quality.
You pay for the engine and the passion.
And the elitism.
Yes, and the snobby elitism.
Okay, so today we're gonna find out, is the Ferrari worth 15 times the cost of a Miata? I like the blue with the yellow, dude.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. I don't know about this, to be honest. This looks like ketchup and mustard a little bit.
Well, you can't really change this color.
Yeah, but like this thing, like why couldn't this be black with the yellow? I'm just nitpicking. Oh, that's the Apple CarPlay. That's crazy. Oh, that tack is crazy. Okay, speakers are. Man, that's kind of sad.
Yeah, it's kind of disappointing.
Yeah. Wow. Look at this thing, dude. That's crazy. It's so low, too.
Yeah. That's just the cover. I'm sure that it's lower.
It's my first time touching the horse. To me personally, the second best looking Ferrari,
What's the first?
Speciale, just cause you like the Pista
I
though.
like the pizza.
Yeah.
I like the way the pizza looks.
Yeah, the only thing is that it's actually just such a shame that this car's in South Korea.
Yeah.
It's kind of like having a Husky in Florida.
Texas.
Yeah, Texas, in the summer. It's just, it's like borderline unethical in my opinion. Oh my! Oh my! Wow. Okay, so that's the brake, gas, no clutch. Kind of like that. Wait, so this seat doesn't go down all the way? This is the lowest it goes?
I think you gotta turn on the... And I think it goes lower.
And do you press this again?
Yeah, we'll foot on the brake.
Okay. Oh, okay, so you do sit low. Wait, this is the lowest it goes.
Oh.
Wait, yo, low key? Low key. The seating position is not as low as I expected it to be. Is that crazy to say? Wow, dude, this is hella nice. Oh my god. Okay. So you...
If you just put it into gear, the parking brake will automatically.
Okay. We going? Oh, that's crazy. You see the heat come up from the engine?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm driving. What the hell? The steering feels interesting. Oh my. Okay, that's my bad. I didn't think it was. I think this is the most terrified I've ever been. Oh wait, no turn. Okay, yeah, no turn signals. Holy shit. I am driving a Ferrari. The brakes are super grabby.
Yeah.
Wow. It's actually not that
Hard to drive.
that intimidating if you just don't think about the price. You know? I know we can go, but I'm kind of scared too. Wow.
You gotta wait for you gotta try shifting at the higher revs. I think that's where the enjoyment comes from.
You're okay with me doing that? Dude, that tack is so nice though. Holy shit.
Left. You stay in this lane.
Oh, that's like a freaking watch.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the auto start stop. I guess that's for smoother braking.
Maybe.
Yeah, it feels like it. Because otherwise, it just feels like it would kind of like just jerk into first gear.
It doesn't actually jerk too much.
Oh, so if you move the steering wheel, it turns back on. Oh, first gear engages so smoothly.
So you're still a manual, I think.
Oh, no backfire?
No.
No backfire.
It doesn't do that.
I don't know if I like the turn signals.
But you get used to it.
Jesus Christ, are you coming in? Jesus. Gotta drive extra defensively. That's a big bump.
Nah, you're fine.
I just wish I could get better at like stopping smoothly.
Yeah, I can't do that either.
Yeah, it's a little
I don't
like
think it's possible.
yeah.
It's grabby.
Yeah. Like the engine braking and the brakes just kind of. I guess my point still stands that South Korea just ain't it. And if you say otherwise, you're coping. You're coping. And like someone said the rest of the world is like that, but I'm American, so like what the fuck you want me to say? Like I don't feel like we're drawing that much attention. It just feels like we're driving a car.
Yeah.
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 Oh no, there's some ajumas looking, but like it's not. Especially with the tint, it's not that bad. I think that was my only concern with like super flashy cars. Here?
Yeah. Me too.
Oh, you turn?
Yeah.
Can I just turn here?
Yeah.
Does it turn? No, it doesn't. No, it
You're
doesn't.
gonna have to reverse.
This is terrifying, bro.
We're good.
I did approach that U-turn like an idiot, but I was just nervous. Okay. Oh, that downshift is... I'm gonna do it. He's tailgating me. Oh my... Wait! 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 like that better. Jesus Christ! What? Wow. Oh my. Wait, why did it not feel like that in the passenger seat?
Really?
Yeah, why does it feel? Oh, maybe it's because I'm just like terrified of driving this thing. Oh yeah. No, this feels.
I'm gonna exit soon.
Oh, do I?
Yeah. That's not even a half.
Yeah, no, that's like 20% throttle. Oh
Okay, now
god,
it's up.
I don't even know if I want.
Nah, I think you gotta take it wide.
Yeah, and then cut.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just gonna turn it back on.
Okay.
You're gonna have to rip at this merch.
Oh my god, this camera is kind of. I kind of want. I know I could have gone. I don't want to. Oh my god, I feel like a absolute beginner. I'm just terrified of merging. I should go. I'm not gonna go. Oh my god, okay. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. I just had to. I had to try it. I had to try it. I'm so scared of them merging over, dude. Dude. What does full throttle even feel like?
I wouldn't know.
I'm not doing it, but can I do it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I don't want to do it.
Spun the wheels.
Did I? Oh my fucking god! Why does third gear pull like that? Oh, dude, I wish I had the balls to just fucking. I can't. Oh yeah, dude, those gear changes really.
It's nice. It's very crisp.
It's nice, but because it gives you such a kick, it kind of terrifies you. Because like you think you're upsetting the balance. Oh.
Okay, how do we get back home?
Yeah. Okay. I think I merged over, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Dude, I did like 25% throttle in every single one of those pulls. I do feel kind of blue balled, I'm not gonna lie. Like if it was your car, I would have kind of pushed it a little bit more, but oh yeah. Nah, I could get used to this.
I think we want to make the same U-turn.
Wait, this guy's just fucking.
Oh, that's sketchy. Rubbing this thing.
I think you gotta get back in this car.
See the U-turn right here.
I see you turn. Okay. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Try putting it in neutral and just give it a little. Is it in neutral?
Oh, there's a soft limiter.
Yeah.
what's up with that? Wow. What the hell? What the hell? I'm taking it.
Taking him wide.
Wide. Dude, this turning radius is like not as good as you would think it would be. That's so weird. I think the thing that terrifies me more is just how comfortable I'm getting so quickly.
Right?
Yeah.
It's not too intimidating.
No, but like, I think the fact that it's not too intimidating is what makes it intimidating for me right now.
And then you slip up.
Yeah.
And then you crash and burn.
Yeah. Dude, you weren't kidding when you said it revs up quick.
It
It revs up hella quick. I just.
Now we're gonna take right.
Wow, it just. Wow. Is this BMW trying to come in? Oh, he is. Okay.
He's letting you in.
Oh, so you can just do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can kind of do that. Not that much steering feel.
Yeah.
Mm.
I can agree with that.
Yeah, not that much steering feel. Well, not that it matters. Low key, like.